I'm ready.
Oh yeah! Ow!
Awesome, dude. Yeah, Fleck. Yeah, dude.
That's not right, is it? Just like
Oh, nice, man. That's fucking awesome.
Helmet on and everything.
That was sick.
Perfect tuck, dude. Nasty. Perfect tuck. That was so sick.
Really sick.
That was sick.
Nicely done.
Dude, that was amazing.
Yeah, good tuck.
Dude, I got this so hooked up for you too.
Yeah, the front's definitely better than the back.
Oh man.
Did you hear me calling you for
Yeah, dude, I heard all kinds of shit.
Dude, that was the sickest of the day.
Did I get a good crowd response?
Dude, everybody got a 10 plus on that one, man.
Signing up.
Signing them up. That must felt good, baby.
Oh man, I felt good.
Fucking nailed it.
When I came around to see that I was actually gonna land the front flip, I was pretty stoked.
No, you popped perfect. You didn't try and do it early. You got air and then flipped.
That is amazing, dude. That was. Let's go have a beer and a blunt.
Dude, let's take some shots for that shit.
What's up?
I'm Carly.
Hey, Carly, EJ.
The roommate.
What's up?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You feeling better?
Yeah.
Good.
Feeling great.
Good.
How'd it go?
You're so sick.
Now I see why you were yelling.
Right?
I got it, dude.
Oh my god.
I got it.
Dude, let me see, let me see.
We got like 4 angles of it, so
All right,
I got it on my cam too.
here we go. Take a look.
Did you hear me?